Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the weekly chart of Air Lease Corporation. Now there is a very interesting trend which is developing over here. So let's talk about it, and we are going to talk about the overall trend as well. So let's start doing the analysis over here. First of all, the primary thing that you need to look at is the current range, because the stock is very near or very close to big breakout level. Okay, so we have to focus on that. Now the levels which you need to look at will be something like this. Here we are. Okay, so you have three important levels to look at. You have first your stop loss at $46.6. This is your stop loss. Don't go below this level. On the upside you have 50.89 and you have 53.29. so these are your two levels that you are going to look at on the upside. So first of all, as I told you, don't go below 46, and we have two levels to look at, 50 and 53.29, or let's say 54. Only if the stock sustain above $54 after the breakout, we will continue with our big trend. That's the important thing. Now what's interesting that is happening over here, you can see inverted head and shoulder. So head and shoulder is a negative pattern, but inverted head and shoulder is a positive pattern. Okay, so this is one shoulder, this is, you can see the head. Okay, and this one is another shoulder, right? So it is clearly visible that the stock is on the verge of a breakout, or the stock is directionally moving higher in the weeks or in the months to come. Okay, so let's discuss about that. Let me delete this thing. Okay, now as I told you, the important level that you need to look at, and because the stock is very near to its long-term breakout level, we only have to do the long-term trend analysis. So for that, if I slice through this chart, let me use line chart to remove all the unnecessary things. Here we are. Okay, so yes, here it is. So now you can clearly see how the trend looks like. Okay, so it is clearly visible in the chart. Right, so this is your long-term trend or long-term support, and if I apply the same with candlestick chart, so I think this one you can consider as your long-term support level, right? This is going to be a long-term support level. Now considering this as our long-term range, if we are going and searching for the long-term target, we will have something like this. So this is the trend we have here. So as you can see, if you are looking at the long-term trend, what you have here is $35 as your stop loss. As I told you, you have to go beyond $54. Now on the upside, if there is a breakout beyond $54, then the big target that we are looking here, it will be in between 66 and $76 on the upside. So this is the big range that we are looking at, and probably if the breakout is happening after a period of 2 or 3 years, we have this range that we are going to look at. Overall, this is the trend in between which the stock is trading. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.